How do I follow up somebody after we have a networking conversation? The answer is you prepare during that conversation and set yourself up for the next conversation. I'm Greg. I'm the introverted networker. And a question I get a lot, and I actually got it this week. I was doing a live Q&A with people, ended up being from all over the world. It was amazing. People from France, people from Norway, people from all across the US. One of the questions that came up was, how do I follow up with somebody later on without it being weird? And I think the person was worried, like, I'm going to follow up with this person too much and it's going to put them off, and therefore they're not going to want to connect with me, or they're not going to want to talk to me anymore. And so at some level, what I said was, be sort of tactful and try to use your common sense on this. Like, you shouldn't be following up with people every week. Maybe once a month is even too much, or every 2 to 3 months is okay. It kind of depends on what you're talking about with this individual. So if you have a networking meeting with somebody and you come out of it and you say, hey, let's work on this project together. Yeah, obviously you're going to talk to each other more. But if it's just like, hey, it was great meeting you, I would love to keep in touch. Well, how do you know when to keep in touch? How do you know when the next time is to get back in touch? And so there's no hard and fast rule, right? I mean, and if you come back to people with some reason or something of value or something that's interesting to them, man, you can follow up all the time. If you've always got great stuff and you're always teaching them something new or bringing them some new information, they're going to be appreciative and like, this is great. So it kind of depends on what you're going to do in that follow-up meeting. But one thing you can do is set yourself up for the follow-up conversation before the first conversation ends. And the way you do that is, you're in this conversation, you're talking to this person, and you might say to them, hey, do you have one tip or one piece of advice that somebody in my position could go out and try? Is there something that you would say I should do? Is there a book I should read? Is there a podcast I should listen to? Is there an article I should look at? Is there a person I should talk to? Is there a group of people I should talk to? Whatever makes sense for the conversation. But if you can get to a point where that person says, yes, and you should go, I'm going to use a book for an example. You should go read this book by this author. And you say, awesome. Thank you so much. I'm so appreciative. Listen, I'm going to read this book and then I'm going to follow up when I'm done. I'm going to let you know my thoughts on it and see if my thoughts were the same as your thoughts. Does that make sense? Now you've given yourself a reason to follow up with that person, and whenever you finish the book. Now, here's the key to making this work. Whatever that person tells you to go do, obviously within reason. If they tell you to like go do something horrible in the world, obviously don't go do that. But most people are going to give you a piece of advice and they're going to say like, hey, go out and try this. If they say go out and try this and you say, I'm going to do it and follow up, you got to do it, right? You can't not do it, right? If they say read this book, you got to read the book, at least enough to really have a conversation about it. You got to go out to the library and borrow it or buy it or find it used or whatever it takes. You got to get the book and you got to read it. And then you got to come back to them and say, hey, I read this book and I thought these things were interesting. I had questions on this stuff. Like, what was your take on it? You were the one who recommended it to me. So here was my impression. What did you think? Because once you've done that, right? Once you've said you're going to do it, then you have a reason in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, however long the book is, to come back and be like, hey, I really appreciate you recommending this. I love this book. Or, hey, I read this book and I don't get it. Like you recommended it. What am I missing? Because I didn't really understand it or I didn't connect with it. That's fine too. But it gives you a reason to get back together with them and follow up in the future. So 2 real big keys in this is, in the conversation, try to get some advice or direction from the person by basically asking their opinion. And this works really well if you're like a college student or new in your career and you're younger and you don't feel like you have a lot to offer the other person. If you say, hey, could you give me a piece of advice? And they do, and you go out and do something with it and you come back and you report back, you know what they're going to think? This is a really driven individual. This person does what they say. They say they're going to read it. They do it. That's pretty impressive. And they're going to remember that, and you're going to stand out to them, and you're going to have a chance to have another conversation so that you can talk and continue the conversation and see where it goes. So that's a good way to follow up with people and set it up in the first conversation. so that it's not awkward and weird for you to follow up in the next conversation. So hopefully that helps you out. It gives you a little bit of an idea of maybe what to say in that conversation. If you need other tips, I got tons of videos. I got a whole playlist of the frequently asked questions I get when people are networking. You can follow that playlist on YouTube. This video will be a part of that playlist. I've got my newsletter that you can subscribe to. I'm always sharing my ideas and tips there. I post every day on LinkedIn, every weekday. So, follow me in one of those places. If you want to connect with me, send me a message through one of those, leave a comment on this video, but take that advice, see if it works for you. Let me know how it goes. Go out this week, meet some interesting people. And remember, always be connecting.